It's been such a long day. I am exhausted.
Me too. Work felt never ending.
My head is still spinning from all the emails.
And I was in meetings all day. No break at all.
I have no energy to cook. Let's order food.
Yes, something warm and easy.
And let's relax a little.
Yes, maybe we should do something relaxing tomorrow.
I have an idea.
Tell me.
Tomorrow is Saturday.
Finally, a day off.
Let's go to the beach.
The beach?
Yes, early morning, before it gets crowded.
How early?
Maybe 5 a.m.
5 o'clock? That is still nighttime.
But the sunrise on the water is beautiful.
That does sound nice.
It will feel like a mini vacation.
Okay, I'm in. Let's do it.
After we eat, let's sleep early.
Good idea. Waking up will be easier.
I'll set the alarm.
What time?
4:30.
That hurts my heart.
We'll survive.
Fine. Good night.
Good night, love.
Why is the phone screaming?
The alarm.
Already?
Yes, 4:30.
My body refuses to move.
Come on, the ocean is waiting.
10 more minutes.
We will miss the sunrise.
Okay, I'm getting up. Slowly.
We should shower before we go.
A shower? I can barely open my eyes.
That's why you need it.
I wish I could go back to bed.
After the trip, you can.
Okay, shower first, nap later.
Let's pack the beach bag.
What do we need?
Towels,
Got them?
sunscreen,
Here?
snacks,
Chips and fruit.
water bottles.
2 cold bottles.
Perfect.
Should we take the tent?
Yes, the small beach tent.
I'll fold it and put it in the car.
And the beach mat.
Got it.
Check the weather.
Warm and clear sky.
Great. Let's go.
The roads are so quiet this morning.
Of course. Most people are still asleep.
I wish I was one of them.
Stop whining and look at the sky for a second.
Wow, the stars look so bright today.
We never get to see them after work.
Yeah, this feels calm. I kind of like it.
Are you starting to wake up now?
Just a little. The fresh air is helping.
We're getting close.
I think I can already smell the ocean breeze.
Now I'm really excited.
Same here. Let's enjoy this morning.
Look, the horizon is glowing.
The sun is coming up.
Let's set up the tent here.
Good spot. Soft sand.
Okay, tent is ready.
Now, let's walk on the boardwalk for a minute.
Yes, the wooden boards feel warm already.
And the sound of the waves is so calm.
Let's go back before the sun rises fully.
Let's sit on the mat.
Or maybe lie down for a bit.
Yes, this feels amazing.
Listen to the waves.
I feel so relaxed.
Here comes the sun.
Wow, the colors are beautiful. Pink, gold, orange.
Like a painting.
Waking up early was worth it.
I'm happy we came.
Me too. Let's just relax and enjoy this moment.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Comment below and tell us what topic you'd like to see next. It really helps the channel grow.